what if I told you types can be functions too? Yes, you heard me right. We can use types to transform other types. Let's directly look into the code here. For a comparison, we'll use higher order functions. So basically we know higher order functions, right? Functions which take other functions as an argument or callbacks as an argument and then return another function or a value, right? We have this array of numbers. Simple basic example, we have 1, 2, 3 inside this array, and we would map over this array. So map is a higher order function, and this takes this callback where we take individual iterable 1, 2, 3 individually and then multiply that by 2. So effectively we'll have an output array of 2, 4, and 6, right? So we get an array of numbers as an output with multiplied by, and this similarly we can have a type like this, wrap in array type, and we have this generic parameter with it, which would return an array of that type, that generic type. So this is a type which has a generic parameter. We know we can have generic parameters and functions and variables, but we have this in this type as well, which is possible. Whenever we use this type, we can pass in a type as a parameter to it, or a generic parameter, you can say. And this returns us the array of that type. You see, an array of strings is returned to this type, and when we pass in a number, we actually get an array of numbers passed out, right? So you can use generics and types to make them more flexible, right? It turns them into a function which would basically return different types based on whatever we are passing in. This is the basic idea that parameter type can be used to transform other types is extremely crazy, and I hope you learned something out of this. So thanks for watching, and follow for more TypeScript tips. Bye bye.